In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean up your long form videos and repurpose to get multiple shorts out of one video. And I'm going to show you how to use it doing this software called Opus. This workflow should take 10 or 15 minutes max, and you should be able to get 10 or 20 videos out of one long form video if you do it right. So I'm on Opus. I have this video that I just created on how to make thumbnails. I'm going to drop it in there. I just long form answered questions, didn't clean it up at all. And so I'm going to put it into Opus. And the first thing I'm going to do is edit it to be a long form video. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to say don't clip so it doesn't edit it at all. And then I'm going to click right here, which is my long form video format. So it'll add subtitles down at the bottom. It will take out all the ums. It will add some B-roll, although for coaches and experts, B-roll you don't really need. It can be helpful though. And so this is the format that it will edit it in, and it won't clip it at all. And so next time after this, it'll clip it and it will give us a bunch of different clips. And I'll show you that right after this. So this will process. It's going to take maybe 5 minutes. And after I upload this video to Opus, it will remove out a lot of the editing for me. And so the video will be ready to upload. All right. And so as that goes, I'm going to show you guys some of the other videos that I've done. So I'll grab a long form video and I'll plug it in. And then this will get me, this is probably a 10-minute video that got me 15 shorts, 16 shorts. And they're not all great. So I just watch them and then I can, watch this one. So this one has a 99% score. It's a trending topic, right? And so it tells you which shorts are the best based off of AI. And then if you like it, then you just click schedule. You can schedule it to any platform that you have on here. I've got my LinkedIn, YouTube, and then 2 Instagram accounts tied to it. So I just publish it if I want, or I can schedule a time, 15th, 1 a.m. if I wanted. And so once the video gets uploaded, then you can turn that one video into, 20 or 30 different posts if you're posting on multiple platforms. And then you just want all that traffic to be driving back to your Skool community or wherever your list building is. And Opus is a very short workflow to edit videos quickly. With coaches or with content creators and solo entrepreneurs, there's always this game of really, really high quality versus lots of quantity. And so Opus is one of those things that's kind of right in the middle. You'll have high quality shorts and you'll also have lots of them. And they won't be time consuming to produce, right? So you can have quantity is a quality, right? You'll be very public facing. You'll get lots of posts out there, right? And so that's how you're going to upload shorts. This video says it's going to be 4 minutes, so we'll find some other stuff to show you here. So longs to shorts, that's what we're doing right after this. So grab our long video, replace it with shorts. I'm going to do that same thing with this video once it's done. It can also add AI B-roll. It can add AI hooks, which sound, let's find an AI hook one. They add this deep voice.
Discover email strategies that propel growth from 5K to 50K organically.
System that we implemented when we were stuck at 5,000. And this one added some B-roll too. So it does a lot of cool stuff. I think that you don't want to get overwhelmed by all of the things it can do. For coaches, it's like grab your long form videos, repurpose them as short videos, remove all the ums, remove all the add subtitles, and then get on with your life, create more content. That's an easier path to victory than, editing perfectly. Cool. So it's been about 5 minutes and 99% almost done. All right. So let's look at the long form video. Email system that we implemented when we were stuck at 5,000. So you can see added subtitles, $1 a month, and how we grew to $50,000 a month organically. Add some B-roll. Exact systems so you can use them and it removes ums, so it's just going to be a lot cleaner, be better for watch time. This video is done. I'm going to download it and then upload it to YouTube, and then I'm going to take my shorts that I got from this video and schedule these out. So I've got 4 posts scheduled from this video, so that's going to go 4 4 4. These are all the ones I chose that I liked. You can see 4 4 4 4 4 4. So this video gave me 30 or 40 different posts across social media. These are all ones that I liked. You can see I didn't choose this one, didn't choose a couple of them. So that's Opus Pro. There's a link below this video if you want to try it. And if you're trying to use these strategies and build a one-person coaching business, check out the operator room. That's a Skool community that I run. It's free right now. If you join, you get a free carousel that I make for you. And just click join and apply. And if you're a good fit, we look forward to seeing you in there, and go make some short videos.